Hey folks, Southwest Prepper with the Southwest Prepper Group. So I was at Tractor Supply the other day and I came across some fire bricks. They were about $3 a piece and I picked about 5 of them up, and I wanted to show you guys a really super easy, inexpensive way to make an emergency heater or just a regular heater for your RV, your small apartment, condo, or even your bedroom if the power just happens to go out. And what I'm using is a alcohol stove in here. This is my Trianja, however you say it, alcohol stove, and the 5 fire bricks or heat bricks. And I'm just showing you different levels of temperature. Now it gets pretty warm. After a while, after about 15 minutes, this thing really got cooking here. And I left the simmer ring on it, just on the alcohol stove, so it would actually last a lot longer. And we're getting really good temperatures here. So all you can see here is it's very simple. I just put a little bit of foil on the front of it to block some of the heat, and I put this little ceramic dish in there to also grab some of the heat and kind of push it out into the air. And now we're looking at 320 degrees and up to almost 400 degrees, people. 400 degrees from a little alcohol stove and some bricks. Now you gotta be safe. It gets pretty hot, and I set it up here on my tile kitchen counter. But folks, if the power goes out, grid down, or if you're out camping or something like that and you need some heat, an alcohol stove, or even some tea lights, some of those 6-hour tea lights, good 5-6 of those, and you're warming up those bricks pretty well. So as you can see here, the alcohol stove is actually out of fuel, and we're sitting at about 400 degrees. That's pretty wild, folks. 400 degrees. And you can set a little tiny fan up there, and you can get some radiant heat off of that. So folks, as you can see, it doesn't have to cost a lot, and you don't have to freak out if the power goes out and it's very cold. There's lots of solutions. Stay tuned, folks. We got your 6. We're here to help you out. So if you got any questions, any comments, any concerns, please leave them. And subscribe if you haven't done so already. Love and light to you all. Southwest Prepper with the Southwest Prepper Group. Be safe out there. Be ready. Be prepared.